Imagine you open your inbox and find a terse letter from a collector. Or you log into your credit file and see a new entry you never expected, medical collection, blinking like an alarm. It's quieter than a foreclosure notice, but it can be just as disruptive. Higher interest, denied credit, worse mortgage pricing, or even employment and housing friction. Medical bills feel different from other debts. They arrive after sickness, in cash-strapped moments, and often include insurance disputes and billing errors. That is why managing medical debt is its own craft, part consumer rights law, part negotiation, part paperwork discipline. What actually changed? The rules that tilt the field. Over the last few years, the landscape shifted dramatically. Major rule changes and industry moves removed tens of billions of dollars in medical debt from consumers' reported files and extended breathing room before debts can be reported. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau finalized a strong rule that will remove medical bills from credit reports used by lenders, a move expected to remove roughly $49 billion in medical debt from many files and improve scores for millions. Before that sweeping step, the three credit bureaus and industry players already made practical changes. In July 2022, paid medical collection debt was scheduled to be removed from consumer files, and the waiting period before unpaid medical collections could be reported was extended from 180 days to 1 year, giving consumers more time to resolve billing and insurer disputes. Later, in spring 2023, the bureaus agreed to stop reporting medical collections under $500. Those moves dramatically reduced the number of small, often broken medical collection trade lines that used to show up on reports. Bottom line, the reporting world is more consumer-friendly than it was 3 years ago, but the process of clearing, fixing, or negotiating medical debt still matters enormously for anyone who sees a medical collection on their file. The reality: what a medical collection does to a file today. Even as policies have improved, a medical collection that remains on a credit file can still cause realistic harms. It can lower your score, increase the cost of borrowing, and show up during underwriting checks. The timing matters. A collection that appears as newly placed will carry more weight than one that's old and disputed. And because medical debt often involves insurers, the record of who owes what can be messy. That's why a surgical, documented process, not panic, is the right response. First moves. Triage. Stop the bleeding. When you discover medical debt on your credit report, do not ignore it. Your first 72 hours are triage time. Here's exactly what to do. Pull the full credit reports from each major bureau and locate the entry. Note the creditor collection company name, account number, date of first delinquency DFD, and the balance. Keep screenshots. Request an itemized bill from the medical provider. You are entitled to a breakdown of charges. Mistakes, duplicate charges, or insurance coding errors show up here. If you have insurance, get the explanation of benefits that corresponds to the procedure. Check whether the collection is recent or older than the latest reporting policy window. If it's a small balance under $500, confirm whether it should even be reported under bureau policy. Those first steps separate the fixable from the alarming. The next acts are legal and tactical. Validate, dispute, negotiate. Debt validation, force proof. If a collection agency calls or a trade line appears, you can and should demand debt validation in writing. Under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, a collector must provide verification of the debt when asked. Name of original creditor, amount, and chain of ownership. Do not admit liability or promise payment during the validation period. Request written validation and pause contact until you receive it. If the collector cannot produce the original bill or proof that the debt is valid and matches your records, that is leverage to get the trade line removed. This step matters because many medical collections were sold and resold. Paperwork often fails to follow the debt cleanly. How to dispute. Move fast, stay precise. If the records show errors, wrong amounts, wrong dates, or a paid account still reporting, launch a dispute with the bureau that lists the trade line and with the collector. Use concise language. Point to the exact incorrect field, balance, dates, provider. Attach supporting documentation, EOBs, payment receipts, insurance notes, and demand a reinvestigation. Bureaus have statutory timelines to investigate disputes, and with the recent regulatory attention, the agencies are more responsive. Keep copies of everything and log every call you make. If a bureau fails to correct an obvious error, you can escalate to the regulator who oversees reporting practices. Negotiation with medical providers. Don't accept the first offer. Hospitals and providers often have financial assistance, sliding scale options, or internal billing advocates. Ask for a charity adjustment if your income qualifies. Ask for a payment plan with no interest, and request any settlement to be reported to the bureaus as paid or deleted if they agree. then get it in writing. For many people, a modest lump sum settlement or a negotiated plan that clears the debt quickly is the fastest route to removing the trade line. The key demand: written confirmation that once paid, the account will be updated to paid or removed from credit reports. If a collector refuses this, escalate to the original provider. Often the hospital can override a collector's stance. What to expect from credit bureaus during reinvestigation? When you file a dispute, bureaus contact the furnisher, the collector. If the furnisher cannot verify the debt or provides inconsistent documentation, the bureau must remove or update the trade line. Recent regulatory pressure means bureaus are more likely to act swiftly on clear documentation. If a bureau fails to act, file a formal complaint with the enforcement agency overseeing reporting practices. That complaint often speeds results. If you can pay, use payment as leverage. If validation is clean and you can afford it, negotiate a settlement or payment plan that includes explicit bureau reporting terms. Ask for a paid, removed, or paid, not reporting confirmation in writing. Many providers will accept a reduced lump sum if you demand that the account be reported as paid and removed from collections reporting. Always insist on written confirmation before you send funds. When collections refuse removal, escalate. If a collector refuses to remove a validated but paid account, escalate to the original provider. If the provider sold the debt, they often still have leverage to instruct the collector. If that fails, file a complaint with the bureau and then with the regulator. Include your documentation. If you suspect illegal behavior, re-aging, identity errors, consult a consumer attorney. There are statutory damages for FDCPA or FCRA violations in some cases. Monitoring. Don't assume it's fixed until it's fixed. After a correction or negotiated payoff, monitor your reports monthly for at least 6 months. Mistakes recur, and resales of debt can recreate trade lines. If the record reappears, repeat the dispute and escalate. When to get legal help? If a collector engages in unlawful conduct, threats, harassment, failure to validate, or if a bureau refuses to correct clear errors, legal help may be cost-effective. Consumer lawyers experienced with FDCPA and FCRA cases can demand corrections, monetary damages, and attorney fees in some jurisdictions. The calmer ending you can force. Medical debt is often chaotic, but the paperwork and legal rights are on your side if you use them. The process is: document, demand validation, dispute with evidence, negotiate with providers, and escalate to regulators or counsel when needed. The policy landscape has shifted in favor of consumers. Paid medical collections are being removed, and small bills are less likely to report. You don't have to be a lawyer to win this fight. You only need the right steps and a paper trail. Start the work today, follow the playbook, and turn that blinking alarm into a cleared line on your credit report. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.